The first player is the 150 million euro problem that the rest of the world has absolutely no idea how to deal with. ये player आता है at the 2026 World Cup not just as a player but as the face of modern corporate football machine. This man wields unprecedented power, demanding 80% of his own image rights at his club. और ये justify करता है every single penny because he is statistically unstoppable. He isn't just waiting for tap-ins in the box. ये player average करता है an outrageous 0.9 goals per game while generating a massive volume of 100 to 129 shots in the league. एक एवरेज मैच रेटिंग अबव 8.0 के साथ डेटा प्रूव करता है कि ये प्लेयर सिंगल हैंडेडली एक एंटायर अटैक को ड्राइव करता है. He was a kid from the working class immigrant suburb of Bondi and has become the ultimate apex predator, hunting down an all-time World Cup scoring record. और ये एक एग्जैक्ट रीजन है क्यों ये प्लेयर नहीं जाता है किसी भी टॉप 5 लिस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड से, इवन वन लाइक दिस लिस्ट जो कि बनाई गई है विद हेवी रिसर्च टू लुक फॉर प्लेयर्स विद स्टैटिस्टिकल एनोमली और रियल लाइफ वेंडेटा टू प्रूव समथिंग. And this player's name is none other than Kylian Mbappe. पर the truth is कि Mbappe अकेला डिसाइड नहीं करेगा the fate of 2026 World Cup on his own. ये सिर्फ एक प्लेयर है out of the 5 players जो कि इस साल वर्ल्ड कप पे एक massive impact रखने का potential रखते हैं according to their stats and their profiles. And now with player number 5 out of the way, here's player number 4. Now because Mbappe generates nearly a goal a game through his sheer shot volume and speed, opposing teams cannot just rely on traditional defenders to survive. And so आता है a need for a tactical evolution. Enter the likes of the second player, a center back who stands out. And how? Let me show you. देखो, every elite defender is tall, but this one is a statistical freak of nature. He plays in the Bundesliga and with a height of 1.93 meter, this teenager doesn't just win few headers. He won 18 aerial duels in a single match against Union Berlin in one of his matches. This is most by any player in Europe's top 5 leagues in at least 5 years. And इसके पास एक profile है to stop players like Kylian Mbappe because he entirely suffocates the penalty area. He boasts a 75.7% aerial success rate and over 300 tackles won. पर ये सिर्फ एक defensive wall नहीं है, he is also a ball playing weapon at his age with over 1200 successful passes and 81 accurate long balls. The second this player stops a superstar, he is capable of instantly bypassing a press to launch a lethal counter attack. और तो और इस लीग एज अ सेंटर हाफ इसने 5 गोल्स भी मारे हुए. और इसका बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि ये प्लेयर कोई डीवा नहीं. He was sold for a staggering 12 million euros at the age of just 16. That is insane for a center back. इतना कि इसको खुद को अपनी फीस सरियल लगी थी. But ये एक humble grinder है and once his dad told him that Tottenham wanted him and he took it as a joke. And this monster is called Luka Vuskovic of Croatia. He plays for Hamburger SV in the Bundesliga. But here is a fatal flaw with the physical, rigid defensive wall like Vuskovic. ये rely करते हैं on absolute logic and organization of the defense और ये चीज तोड़ी जा सकती है by pure, uncalculated chaos. And with that comes the next player at just 18 years old. ये नेक्स्ट प्लेयर पुट अप करता है वीडियो गेम जैसे नंबर्स और टैक्टिकल मॉडल्स को अपने स्लीप में ब्रेक करता है. यू कांट डिफेंड अगेंस्ट हिम बिकॉज हिज एंटायर आउटपुट इज एन एनोमली. एक सिंगल सीजन में इस बच्चे ने 16 गोल्स और 11 असिस्ट डिलीवर किए एंड ही ऑपरेटेड इन द 98th और 99th परसेंटाइल फॉर हिज पोजीशन विद एन XG फिगर ऑफ 0.72 गोल्स पर 90 मिनट्स. This guy averages a goal contribution every single game and therefore ये bypass करता है entire physical midfield battle just by his ability entirely. इस प्लेयर का chaos born होता है absolute pure survival से. इसकी grandmother बस में sneak करती थी और multiple shifts में काम करती थी in a small town of Mataro in Spain to keep her family alive. Although काफी लोगों ने इसे already guess कर लिया होगा, this player grew up in a shelter and now this kid who was literally fighting to exist is carrying the creative weight of an entire team and an entire nation on a recovering torn hamstring injury. ये है none other than the boy wonder Lamine Yamal. And therefore जब एक टूर्नामेंट डिवॉल्व करता है फिजिकल डिफेंसिव वॉर्स और केओटिक यूथ की वॉर में, एक टीम को ट्रूली एक मास्टरमाइंड की जरूरत होती है टू डिक्टेट द एंटायर टेम्पो. इसलिए हमारा नेक्स्ट पिक हु इज स्टेयरिंग डाउन हिज बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक इज एट 34 एंड इज बैटलिंग अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ सिवियर हैमस्ट्रिंग इंजरीज. और उसकी बॉडी उसे बिट्रे कर रही है पर उसका माइंड इज शार्पर देन एवर एंड ही इज प्रोड्यूसिंग 0.47 गोल्स एंड 0.24 असिस्ट्स पर 90 मिनट एट हिज क्लब. ये प्लेयर इतना रिलेंटलेस क्यों है पता है? बिकॉज ही इज फेस्ड बाय प्योर रिजेक्शन. जब ये टीनेजर था तब इसको अबैंडन कर दिया था इसकी फॉस्टर फैमिली ने फॉर बीइंग टू क्वाइट और टू डिफिकल्ट. और जब इसको पता चला, he went into his backyard and he kicked a football against a fence for hours, obsessing over their words. जिसके बाद he steps onto a pitch and scores 5 goals in a single half to prove them wrong for his then club. And इस player ने throughout his career has turned his profound abandonment issues into focus, and he became one of the purest passing technician of his generation. And now he stands alone as the last survivor of Belgium's fading golden generation, and hence Kevin De Bruyne is desperately orchestrating one final dance before his time runs out. इसके साथ आते हैं हम अपने फाइनल प्लेयर पे, जो कि दिखाता है कि वर्ल्ड कप 26 की एक डार्क हिडन टैक्टिकल रियलिटी। सी, ये वर्ल्ड कप won't be run by a corporate Galactico। ना ही ये रन होगा एक टीनेज एनामली से, ना ही एक एस्टैब्लिश्ड बीस्ट ऑफ अ प्लेयर से, और ना ही एक डेस्परेट वेटरन से। This will be controlled by players like a 20-year-old who is our next pick, who is doing the invisible, thankless, dirty work in the shadows. But wait a minute, anomalies like Lamine Yamal is already covered, and this player isn't your popular Musiala or Arda Güler. But out of all the players in the world who are playing the World Cup this season, why is he our number one pick? Why him? Because ये player एक structural spine है जो कि एम्बापे और Lamine Yamal जैसे superstars को exist करने में मदद करता है। Now while players like Mbappe and Yamal take the entire glory, ये बंदा लॉक करता है 2395 minutes with an outrageous 91.5% Champions League passing accuracy। और तो और ये बंदा स्पेंड करता है 88% of his time in the central midfield, जिसका 12% स्पेंड हुआ है as a defensive midfielder, and he has even covered at right back। No, it isn't your Camavinga or Fede Valverde। ये बंदा important है because he makes the tackles and covers the ground, so the 150 million euro players don't have to। उसके ऊपर से ये बंदा possess करता है एक elite terrifying mentality। ये रेज हुआ था एक working class suburb में, और इसके पापा ने इसको इसकी shoelaces tie करना सिखाया था before he even joined the team। And जब ये 16 साल का था, after a brutal defeat which his club faced, he stood in his locker room alongside veterans like Neymar, Mbappe, and even Lionel Messi, and he gave a brutally honest interview at that time, demanding the team to pull themselves together। A teenager asking legend to pull themselves together, such is his mentality। और याद है वो किस्सा जब रियल मैड्रिड ने अपने गैलाक्टिको एरा में फूलिशली अपने लेजेंडरी डिफेंसिव मिडफील्डर क्लाउड मकलेले को सेल कर दिया था, और जिडान ने ये फेमस कोट कहा था, why put another layer of gold paint on the Bentley when you are already losing the entire engine? As mentioned in this video on your left, इस प्लेयर ने, जो कि है वॉरेन जायर एमरी, उस इंजन की कमी पूरी करी थी।